Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. It is a really pretty, bright, sunny day today, and I'm actually wearing my glasses. I tried wearing my contacts this morning, and then my eyes were like, nope, we're not having it. We've had enough. You've been wearing contacts for 2 weeks straight. You need to give us a break. So I'm on my glasses today. I'm so sorry. I barely vlogged at all yesterday. So what I'm going to end up doing is combining a bunch of days together, because the last day of Vlogmas I uploaded was day 11, which is ridiculous. I know this always happens. I start at Vlogmas strong and then I start sucking because we get so freaking busy. Yesterday, all we pretty much did is drop the kids off at my mom's house, and we ran around like crazy trying to get all the shopping done. It's still not all done. Thankfully, we have all the gifts for the kids, but we still need to pick up gifts for a Secret Santa thing at my husband's family's house, and then we need to get gifts for my mom, and I think that's it. And I still need to get bows and like gift tags. I'm good on wrapping paper because I bought a ton of it last year. So all the kids are done, which is amazing. I picked up a few things for myself, which I might show you guys later. Half of my day is kind of shot, so I'm not sure which project to tackle first. However, right now I'm crazy hungry, so I'm going to heat up some leftover Mexican food I have from yesterday and eat that. If I could eat Mexican or pretty much any Asian food leftovers for lunch every single day, I would be a happy, happy girl. So I am making progress. The third coat of polyacrylic is on the table. Now I have noticed that this third coat, unlike the others, is starting to bubble like all hell. And I noticed that the last time I polyacryliced a piece, I think I'm overworking it, overbrushing it. I really don't want to do a fourth coat, so I think I might just let the bubbles live as is because they're happy, and just kind of let them do their thing. The only other thing is I had some drips down here, if it will focus. There we go. You can see like there and there that I had to sand off, so I had to restain. And now I'm gonna have to re-polyacrylic it. Of course, it didn't fix it perfectly, but again, at this point, I just want this table done. This has been the project that never ends. I am never, ever, ever, ever again taking on a project in December. Ever again. Anyway, I did finally find a spot for the tree. We're gonna put it right here, right in front of, like, in this little area. I moved the chair over. It's normally there. I moved it over, and it's farther out than it will be, just so I have room to decorate. So I'm going to get this tree up and decorated, or at least up, and then can move the chair back over, and everything will look better. And I need to remove that little table out of here because that thing is junk anyway. I have a ridiculous amount of work to do, and it's almost 1 o'clock already. Yes, I am a miracle worker. I got this whole tree up in less than an hour, you guys. Fluffy tree skirt included. By the way, this is the best freaking tree skirt ever. It's soft and fluffy, and our cat loves it. And I get it at Target. I know they've got some this year too. And then our white tree, and it has warm white bulbs. I was hoping to find one with cool white bulbs because I like that look better. But the warm white work for now. And then here's the ornaments I'm going to put on it, same as the last year. I have a mix of silver, gold, bronze, copper, and like this metallic like slate color, and those are all going to go on there. So the whole tree is going to be metallic. I really, really, really want to do a pink tree, but I just don't have the time to do it this year, so I think I'm going to plan on doing that next year, and hopefully by then I will have a different couch, because this thing's starting to look wrecked. But final coat of poly is on the table, and tree is up. Not bad for a couple hours of work. It's about 8 o'clock right now, and I just wanted to show you guys where we're at. The table is finished. We decided that 3 coats of poly on top would be plenty because it's kind of in that line between super smooth and like almost like a bar top finish, and we don't want it to be too smooth and slick. You can still feel a little bit of the grain in it, which is perfect. I have some folding chairs and like a chair for Sean, just some temporary chairs that I had folded up and against the couch for a couple days, thrown there just to keep them out of the way. We are actually starting on the bench tonight. My husband went ahead and got the cut list done for that, so he's going to start working on that. And our tree is up. I do not have it decorated yet. I think I mentioned that earlier, but I have the bulbs and stuff all ready to go. And someone has found her very favorite spot under the tree. Every year when I decorate the tree, she curls up under here. Did I make this spot just for you? So I decided it would be kind of fun to sit down and go through my December Sephora playbox with you guys. I just got it in the mail today, and this feels really weird sitting down in my living room with a tripod, like with a full-size tripod. This like never happens. But I figured we would give it a shot today since it is Vlogmas and you can like see me in other environments other than just inside my little tiny office with my computer in the background. Let's go ahead and jump into this real quick. This is what it looks like. We get our little paper thingy and you have your card for your 50 Beauty Insider points, which you can use online now, yay. So I will go ahead and save that. And it looks like the theme is Cheers to Beauty. And I heard we were getting something special in this box, so I am going to peek. And it says we are getting an extra trial size. Are you hiding? You can come on through.
Waiting for you to take a break.
It says that this month we think you should kick off the new year with something a little special. This month we picked a few of our favorite products from 2018 and sent you a 6th mystery trial size bonus. I'm trying not to be skeptical, but I have a bad feeling that means that whatever Sephora had left in the warehouse of samples is what they threw in here. All right, let's take a look at what we've got. First up here is the bag. They did change it up a little bit this time. It's really cute. It has that Fair Isle sweater pattern. It's really cute, and it's got little eyelashes and lipsticks and combs and stuff. And the back says open here for warm fuzzy feels and a little something extra. So I'm going to go ahead and just dump everything out. If it gets noisy, my heater just kicked on. That's a bad thing about living in rentals. For some reason, the heaters are so freaking loud. First thing we got, I'm actually really excited for it. This is from Belief. They are a Korean skincare brand, and I love their products. They're so good. This is the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I believe we've gotten this before, but I'm happy to have it again. I think we got a slightly different version though. I think we got like a lighter version, but I'm really happy to try this because anything that's it doesn't have much of a smell. Anything that's super moisturizing right now, I will take for my poor skin. I ate cheese the other day. Can you tell? Because I can tell. All right. Next thing we got is the, I've been wanting to try this. Okay, this is the Lancome Bifacile Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. This is one of those like oil and watery type ones that you mix together, which I normally don't like, but I've heard this one is really good, so I'm excited to try that. Then we have, what's next? This is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I actually haven't tried anything from Too Faced Peachy line. I wanted the peach palette when it came out so freaking bad and I couldn't get my hands on it. And then by the time it came out again the second time, I was kind of over it, but I still wouldn't mind trying it eventually. I want to see if this smells like peaches. I have to check. Ooh, it's pink. It's cute. No, it doesn't smell like peaches at all. But it's a nice, thick primer. That feels really nice, actually. I haven't been wearing, like, any matte. And you do feel the cooling. That's fun. I wonder what they put in there that causes that cooling. I probably won't use this during the winter. I've been avoiding matte primers like the plague because my skin is so dry right now. But when we get to summer, I will definitely, like spring, summertime, when my skin starts getting more oily, then I will definitely go ahead and use this under my foundations. The next thing we have is from Tretique, and we actually got one of their highlighters a while back ago, but this is actually a mini lip glaze, and it says the color is Paris Pink. Okay, I give them points for really coming up with a very effective way of sealing this product though. Okay, there we go, got it off, finally. Pop that open. Ooh, I love lip products that roll up like this. This makes me so happy, and that pink is really, really pretty. No discernible scent to it, but that pink's beautiful. It's like a candy pink. Okay, and it's not opaque at all. It's a super sheer, like candy pink. I think that will be really, really pretty. I've been wanting softer lip colors, things that aren't as matte lately, just because mattes dry out your lips so bad. So I will definitely be using this. This is really pretty. It does feel sticky though, which is a bit of a concern because I have super fine hair. So whenever I wear it down, if I'm not wearing like a super matte lipstick, it's like full on stuck to my mouth. And the last like main thing we have is the Sephora Collection Rouge Gel Lip Liner. Okay, so 2 lip products so far. I have not tried their gel lip liners so far, I think. This is in shade 02, Nothing But Nude. And this is it a roll-up? Ooh, yes, we know how I love the roll-ups. I hate things I have to sharpen. So let me swatch this for you guys. That's really pretty. That's a darker nude shade. That's really pretty. Especially, and it blends out well too, especially if you like to contour your lips at all or you have a darker skin tone. This would be awesome. And now I'm moving on to the last thing we got. Please excuse the planer sounds in the background. That's my husband working on our bench. I clearly did not think this out. The last thing we got, which is our extra thing because it's not listed in little poster, is the Sephora Ultra Shine Lip Gel in Perfect Nude. We already have this. I have a couple problems with this. Well, first of all, I will say this is an excellent gloss. This is a really beautiful new gloss. I don't mind having another one. I will say that because it's very, very pretty. They do last a long time. They're not super sticky. So I am pro the Sephora lip gloss. However, I'm not pro getting a repeat of something I've already had as an extra special bonus item when there were so many products put into other boxes from looking online that I did not receive that I would have loved to try. They should have made sure that whatever that bonus item was wasn't something we've already received, which would have been fairly easy to do because I know they can look back and see what's in each box. The other thing is 3 lip products in one box. Really, guys? We literally have 3 lip products, a primer, a moisturizer, and a makeup remover. It's December. These are all pink or nude. Where's my red? Where's my glitter? Why no glitter? Sephora, it's December. I need red things, gold things, super shiny, sparkly things. I need things that are going to make me look like a magical, sparkly unicorn. Because it's Christmas and that's what everyone wants to look like, basically. But there's no glitter. Why no glitter? Like no eyeshadow. No. Why? I don't get it. Like, I love this. This is great. This, by the way, the sample is way smaller than it actually looks. I will say that, but this is an expensive brand. But there's so many freaking other products that we could have gotten, and it kind of blows my mind. And by the way, I was right, guys. This was something they probably just had lying around, that they were like, hey, we have 8,000 of these Sephora lip samples, and we'll just give them these. So, I'm not super pleased with this box. I'm not going to go over everything just because I'm keeping this real short, and this isn't like a formal Sephora Play unboxing, But my favorite thing is probably the Belief Moisturizing Balm. And then my least favorite thing, I would have to say it's between the makeup remover and getting in this extra that's a dupe of something I already have. I've got a makeup remover in like every other freaking box. I mean, I am happy we didn't get hair products. I will say that. I'm happy I didn't get hair products, but 3 lip products. You couldn't throw in a sparkly eyeshadow. Like a mini single sparkly eyeshadow. Would have been perfect. Just saying. This is probably one of my least favorite boxes I've gotten in a while. So I think I'm going to watch and see what the first couple boxes of 2019 look like, because November's box wasn't very good either. And if it's the same, like if they continue to kind of suck a little bit, which is shocking because like September and October, if I remember correctly, were great. And then November and December kind of sucked. I haven't shown you November yet because I haven't uploaded that video. Crap, I need to upload that video. I have a November Sephora Play unboxing ready for you guys. I'm majorly sucking this month. Anyway, November's box wasn't that great. Spoiler alert, but neither was December. So if January and February kind of suck, I might consider canceling my subscription just because I don't want to pay $10 a month for samples that I've already gotten multiple times or things that I'm not interested in. If there are any subscription boxes you guys love and would recommend for me to try instead of the Sephora Play box, go ahead and let me know because I'm always looking for something new to try. So that would be awesome. All right, I'm gonna stop here for now, you guys, because I know that is probably annoying as hell. I'm gonna cut as much out of it in audio editing as I can, but I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff away and probably get to doing some editing.